welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my nighttime cleaning routine with a toddler. Now most nights during the week Nathan is not home for dinner, so it's just me and Eliana, and I figured out a way how to get cleaning done with Eliana still awake, because let's face it, once I get Eliana to bed I have no motivation to do any cleaning. I just want to relax, and that's usually the time where I work on YouTube videos. So my key for getting things done with a toddler around is just to include them in everything. Toddlers naturally are very interested in what you are doing and they love to help. I've also found that once I show Eliana a couple of times how to do something, she catches on really quick. These kids are like sponges. So whatever I am doing, I try to involve her some way, somehow, and this is how I get my nighttime cleaning done. So I hope you guys enjoy. So while I had some delicious chicken tortilla soup in the Instant Pot, I had Eliana help me clean up the kitchen a little bit because I kind of like to clean as I go and not have a huge disaster to clean up after dinner. And this wooden thing that you see Eliana in is a learning tower that one of my best friend's dads made, and we use it so much. I still need to paint it, but we love this thing. So even though Eliana isn't really helping me, she loves to play in the water, and water play is a wonderful activity for 1-year-olds. So this kind of keeps her busy while I try to get the kitchen cleaned up. And of course afterwards there's all this water on the floor, and so she does help me clean up that water. We decided to come out here and eat. It is so gorgeous out. Perfect fall evening. And we have, airplane. But we are having a chicken tortilla soup. And it is so good.
Baba.
And Ellie's got her avocado and a little bit of tortilla soup too. The weather was absolutely gorgeous on this evening, so we thoroughly enjoyed eating outside. And this soup hit the spot. We were all getting over getting sick, and Nathan said that this soup really helped his throat. And I'll link the recipe below for those of you who are interested. And after dinner begins the rest of my cleaning routine. And so I just cleared the table and then wiped it off with my thieves cleaner. Ellie did not want to leave the porch, and so Daddy stayed out there with her while I got food put away and got the dishes done. But don't worry, she'll be back and we will do the rest of the cleaning with Ellie. After getting the food all put away, I loaded the dishwasher and then washed dishes that I use over and over and didn't want setting in the dishwasher. And then sweet little Ellie came in and helped me wipe up the water spots on the floor. And then she also helped me wipe the counters, or more so the stove. Also, she absolutely loves the Swiffer, and so when I vacuum the floor to keep her busy, sometimes I just give her the Swiffer and she has a blast with it. It is like a toy to her. And once the kitchen was clean, I moved on into the living area, and that big tub that you just saw me walk by with is a little rice box that I made for Ellie. So if you could think of a sandbox, but it's a rice box. And I put different toys and things and cups in there, and she loves it. Or measuring spoons and cups. That keeps her busy. And then I had her help me pick up her toys and put them in the bin, and she did a great job. Again, I'm telling you, toddlers love to help and love to be involved in what you do. It's like another game to play or an activity to do. And yes, Ellie is still playing with the Swiffer. She is hilarious. Now this little counter space gets so cluttered with all kinds of stuff, it's a catch-all for us. And I realized that my camera was not recording when I was cleaning off this area, so I did that first, and now I'm just wiping it down, so it is not usually this clean. And then I just gave the living area a quick spot vacuum. A lot of times there's rice on the floor from the rice box, or crumbs from Ellie eating in here, or whatever, so I just do a quick spot vacuum to make sure there's no crumbs and stuff on the floor. Also, sometimes Ellie eats on the couches and leaves little crumbs, and so when that happens, I like to vacuum the couches real quick. And I don't vacuum the carpet every single night or the couches, but only when I know that they are crummy or that they need vacuuming. And this is how I like my house to look at night, just so that in the morning I'm not overwhelmed by anything and that I can just get a fresh start each day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you enjoyed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you do not miss future videos. Love you guys. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Oh, here she comes. You want to say bye, everybody? Love. I think she's ready for night-night. Say bye, everybody. Bye.